Welcome to the Man's Style Decree. Today, we're exposing 7 so-called innocent clothing items that might be aging men over 40 without them even realizing it. These pieces may feel comfortable or familiar, but they silently make you look older, outdated, or less stylish. The good news, with the right adjustments, you can instantly look sharper, younger, and more confident. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the Man's Style Decree for more timeless style wisdom. One, the oversized polo trap. Many men over 40 stick to oversized polos thinking they hide flaws. But in reality, they only make you look shapeless and older. A proper fit that follows your frame without clinging is what keeps you sharp and confident. Too much fabric hanging from the shoulders or waist creates the impression of neglect. Instead, choose polos with slightly tailored sides and structured collars. It's about projecting confidence, not covering up. By making this small adjustment, you instantly trim years off your appearance while maintaining casual comfort. Two, baggy jeans disguise. Baggy jeans were a 90s staple, but for men over 40, they instantly read as dated. They make legs look shorter, the waistline sag, and the overall silhouette sloppy. Modern style demands clean lines and balance. Swap baggy denim for straight leg or slim fit cuts in darker washes that elevate your presence. The right jeans should skim the body, not suffocate or drown it. This simple switch takes you from out of touch to effortlessly relevant without shouting for attention. A clean pair of jeans is the foundation of timeless, casual style. Three, worn-out sneakers syndrome. Old, scuffed sneakers send the wrong message. Neglect, while comfort matters. Shoes speak volumes about your style. Worn-out trainers might feel familiar, but they sabotage every polished outfit. Instead, choose clean minimalist sneakers in leather or suede. Neutral tones like white, beige, or navy provide versatility without screaming for attention. Proper footwear demonstrates that you care about details, something that sets stylish men over 40 apart from those who look stuck in their college years. Keep sneakers fresh, and they'll carry your entire wardrobe with ease. For the overly graphic tee problem. Graphic tees loaded with slogans. Oversized prints or cartoon logos might feel youthful, but for men over 40, they age you instantly. They shift attention away from maturity and style, making outfits look juvenile. Instead, invest in plain, textured, or subtly patterned tees. Think heather gray, muted olive, or fine stripes. These add personality without looking try-hard. The right tee balances relaxation with sophistication, proving you can stay comfortable and stylish at the same time. Let your confidence speak louder than your t-shirt. 5. Ill-fitting blazers. A blazer can be the ultimate style weapon, but when it's boxy, droopy, or 2 sizes too big, it betrays you. Ill-fitting blazers make men over 40 look dated and heavy rather than refined. Instead, opt for lightweight blazers with a modern cut, slimmer lapels, structured shoulders, and breathable fabrics like cotton or linen blends. The right fit broadens the chest, slims the waist, and sharpens your entire look. This small change is what separates stylish men from those holding on to the past. Six. Cargo shorts confusion. Cargo shorts with oversized pockets may feel practical, but they instantly drag your style backward. The bulky silhouette adds unnecessary weight and makes your legs look shorter. For men over 40, they read more weekend handyman than polished. Instead, choose tailored chino shorts in a flat front design with a slimmer cut. Neutral tones like navy, beige, or olive keep it versatile and refined. This swap maintains comfort while giving you a cleaner look. The difference is night and day. No one will mistake you for stuck in the past. Seven. Bulky hoodies. Oversized, shapeless hoodies might feel cozy, but they overwhelm the frame and age men over 40 instantly. They signal sloppy comfort rather than intentional style. Instead, opt for lightweight hoodies or zip-ups in refined fabrics. Cotton blends with clean lines. Slimmer fits in solid neutral tones pair perfectly with jeans or joggers, while maintaining a mature, relaxed look. You don't need to abandon hoodies, just refine them. A sharp hoodie keeps you casual without sacrificing presence. Eight. Dad sandals mistake. Chunky Velcro sandals might scream comfort, but they whisper retired louder than anything. These shoes make even the sharpest outfit look careless. Instead, go for sleek leather sandals or minimal slides. Think brown or black leather with thin straps, comfortable but elevated. They complement shorts, chinos, or linen trousers without dragging down your style. This small footwear upgrade ensures your casual summer look stays modern, not dated. Nine. Ill-fitting dress shirts. Baggy dress shirts with ballooning sleeves or excess fabric at the waist age you faster than wrinkles. They make you look sloppy instead of sharp. The solution is a well-fitted shirt slim through the waist, structured collar and sleeves that hit correctly at the wrist. Light colors like crisp white or pale blue always deliver sophistication. A proper dress shirt instantly sharpens your silhouette and signals attention to detail, making you appear younger and more polished. Shapeless sweaters. Thick, baggy sweaters may feel warm, but they add bulk and years to your look. For men over 40, the goal is warmth with shape. Choose lightweight crewnecks or V-necks in fine wool or cotton blends. Slimmer fits layer easily over shirts and underjackets, keeping you polished without sacrificing comfort. Neutral shades like navy, gray, or burgundy provide versatility while avoiding the grandpa sweater trap. It's about refinement, not bulk. Baggy pleated trousers. Pleated trousers with wide legs were trendy decades ago, but today they instantly make men over 40 look older. The extra fabric adds bulk around the waist and thighs, destroying a clean silhouette. Instead, opt for flat front trousers with a slim, modern cut. They elongate the legs, balance proportions, and give off a sharper presence. Stick to versatile colors like navy, charcoal, or stone for everyday wear. The result? A more flattering, youthful look. That signals sophistication. Oversized graphic hoodies. Large hoodies covered in bold graphics or giant logos can instantly cheapen a man's appearance past 40. They read as juvenile rather than refined. Instead, invest in solid-colored or subtly detailed hoodies in premium fabrics. Neutral or muted tones, like charcoal, navy, or olive elevate. A casual look without sacrificing comfort. Pair them with tailored joggers or slim jeans for a modern, balanced aesthetic that's comfortable yet age-appropriate. Dad sneakers overload. Chunky, overbuilt sneakers might feel trendy to some, but on men over 40, they often read as clunky and outdated. The bulk shortens your legs and clashes with streamlined outfits. A better choice is minimalist sneakers. In leather or suede, white, gray, or tan options match almost everything, keeping your style sharp and youthful. They pair seamlessly with jeans, chinos, or even dressy casual outfits, making them an effortless upgrade. 14. Bulky fleece jackets. Oversized fleece jackets look practical, but often add unnecessary volume, making men over 40 look frumpy. The solution is to go for sleeker, outerwear. Think lightweight quilted jackets, wool overshirts, or bomber styles, in neutral tones. They provide warmth without losing structure. A well-fitted jacket frames your body, adds presence, and avoids the lost in fabric effect. This small shift keeps your look polished, practical, and younger. Worn-out belts, an overlooked detail, but belts matter. Old, cracked, or overly wide belts instantly cheapen your outfit and highlight age. Instead, choose slim, quality leather belts in brown or black with a simple buckle. A sleek belt frames your waistline, complements tailored trousers or jeans, and shows you pay attention to the small details. This subtle upgrade speaks volumes about refinement and confinesque traits that define a man's style past 40. And there you have it, 7 clothing items that seem innocent but secretly make men over 40 look older than they really are. The key is awareness. Once you recognize these mistakes, you can replace them with sharper, more refined choices that highlight confidence, maturity, and style. Dressing well isn't about chasing trends, it's about mastering timeless details that set you apart. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to The Man's Style Decree for more style strategies every modern man needs.